Columbine, Virginia Tech,
Sandy Hook Elementary School.
Mass shooting at the Washington Navy Yard.
The deadly California shooting.
Massacre at a gay nightclub. Another mass shooting, the attack in Las Vegas.
Sutherland Springs, Texas, a shooting taking place at the First Baptist Church.
As you can imagine, it is a challenging, difficult morning. George is on the scene in Florida where another community is in disbelief, shocked by devastating violence, this time at that Florida high school.
You're broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can find the fighter.
I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out.
Every single person up here today, all these people should be at home grieving. But instead, we are up here standing together because if all our government and president can do is send thoughts and prayers, then it's time for victims to be the change that we need to see.
To save us and people who are against it and prefer money. So, Senator Rubio, can you tell me right now that you will not accept a single donation from the NRA in the future?
Born out of the notion that we refuse to live every day fearing that the next round of thoughts and prayers will be towards us. Born out of the youth and the students and the high schoolers across this country and the entire world. Every young person here today, I implore you to understand that, goddammit, you are powerful.
Raise your voices, raise them loud, and let's march in together.
When people try to suppress your vote, and there are people who stand against you because you are too young, we say no more. When politicians say that your voice doesn't matter because the NRA owns them, we say no more. When politicians send their thoughts and prayers with no action, we say no more. And to those politicians supported by the NRA that allow the continued slaughter of our children and our future, I say get your resumes ready.
Your hands.
I stand with you cause I understand.
Ain't here to judge, just to take a stand.
The greater plans, the creator's
plan. Let's all rise like the day began.
Reach out and touch with the Savior's hand.
On rock we stand like it's native land. Let the ways of love be the ways of man.
Around for things, and they're sometimes right. A lot of you are probably wondering, what now? Now, we need to come together on all fronts and push aside those that divide us. Now we need to get on the phone and call our representatives and push them to stop incumbency and take action. Now we need to educate ourselves on which politicians are truly working for the people and which ones we want to vote out. Because at the end of the day, bullets do not discriminate, so why should we? It is not about your race. It is not about your sexual orientation. It is not about your ethnicity. It is not about your gender. It is not about where you live or how much money you make. And it most certainly is not about political party. All it comes down to is life or death.
Your hands.
I stand with you cause I understand.
Ain't here to judge, just to take a stand.
The greater plans, the creator's
plan. Let's all rise like the day began.
Reach out and touch with the Savior's hand.
On rock we stand like it's native land.